Hello, hello! Welcome to another video here on our channel. I am Alex.
And I am Sora. We are so happy to have you back with us today on Ready Talk.
If this is your first time here, welcome. We are two English teachers and very good friends. We make these videos to help you practice your English listening in a natural and fun way.
That's right. We use easy words and speak a bit more slowly so you can understand everything we say.
Before we start talking about our exciting topic today, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, please click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel, Ready Talk, reach more students around the world.
And if you hit the bell icon, you will be the first to know when we post a new conversation.
Are you ready to travel today, Alex?
I am definitely ready. Let's go. So, Sora, today we are talking about a country that is very close to my heart. It is famous for its beautiful beaches, golden temples, and the best food in the world.
Oh, you're talking about Thailand.
Yes, the land of smiles. I was looking at our old travel photos this morning, and I really miss the warm weather and the friendly people.
Me too. We had such a great time there. Thailand is a big country with so many different vibes. You have the busy city of Bangkok, the mountains in the north, and the islands in the south.
Exactly. But everyone has one place they love the most. So, Sora, tell me, what is your favorite place in Thailand?
It is hard to choose because I love the beach, but I think my favorite place was Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai, the Rose of the North. I remember you loved the mountains there.
I did. It felt so much more relaxed than the big city. What about you, Alex? Are you a mountain person or a beach person?
Well, I love a good hike, but my heart belongs to the water. My favorite place was Koh Phi Phi.
Ah, the islands. I knew it. You love the sunshine and the ocean.
I really do. Let's talk about why we love these places. Sora, tell me about Chiang Mai first.
Well, the first thing I loved about Chiang Mai was the old city. It is a perfect square surrounded by a moat, a water canal, and old brick walls.
I remember that. It's so easy to walk around. You don't get lost as easily as you do in Bangkok.
Exactly. And there are temples everywhere. I think there are over 300 temples in Chiang Mai. They're so gold and sparkly.
Did you have a favorite temple?
Yes, Wat Phra That Doi Sutup. It is on top of a big mountain. Do you remember the stairs?
Oh, I remember. There were so many steps. My legs were shaking.
Yes, there are over 300 steps, but when you get to the top, you can see the whole city below you. It is so quiet and peaceful.
I also remember the night markets there. You bought a lot of things, didn't you?
I did. The Sunday walking street is amazing. There are so many local artists selling handmade bags, clothes, and jewelry. And the street food? Alex, the khao soi.
Oh, the curry noodles. That is the best dish in northern Thailand.
It is so creamy because of the coconut milk, and they put crispy noodles on top. I think I ate it every single day for a week.
I remember. You even took a cooking class, right?
I did. I learned how to make green curry and mango sticky rice. The teacher was so funny. She told me I put too many chilies in my curry. My face was so red.
I remember you drinking a whole bottle of water in 1 second. Thai chilies are very small, but very strong.
Okay, Alex, now tell me about your favorite. Why did you choose Koh Phi Phi?
For me, it was like stepping into a postcard. The water is so blue and clear that you can see the fish swimming around your feet.
It is very famous because of the movies, right?
Yes, Maya Bay is there. It's a small beach surrounded by giant limestone cliffs. When the boat enters the bay, it feels like you're entering a secret world.
I remember we went snorkeling there. You were a bit scared of the fish at first.
Hey, that's because a big fish tried to nibble on my GoPro. But it was incredible. We saw colorful coral and even some small reef sharks.
The sharks were very small, Alex. They were not dangerous.
I know, but they still look like sharks. I also loved the viewpoint on the main island. We had to hike up a lot of stairs again. Why does Thailand have so many stairs?
It's good exercise.
It is, but from the top you can see the two bays of the island. It looks like a giant butterfly made of sand and water. At sunset, it is the most romantic place in the world.
It was beautiful, and the nightlife there was fun too. I remember the fire shows on the beach.
Yes, the local guys dance with fire sticks and music. We sat on the sand with a cold drink and just watched the fire move against the dark sky. It felt very free.
We have to talk about the food again. Besides khao soi, what was your favorite thing to eat?
Definitely pad thai. I know it's the most famous dish, but eating it from a street cart in Thailand is different. They make it so fast in a giant wok.
And it's so cheap. You can get a huge plate of noodles for just $2.
I also loved the fruit. The pineapples and mangoes in Thailand are so sweet. They taste like candy.
I really liked the somtam, the papaya salad. It's sour, salty, and spicy all at the same time.
And don't forget the Thai iced tea, that bright orange tea with sweet milk.
Oh, I miss that so much. It is the perfect drink for a hot day.
We really ate a lot on that trip, Sora.
We really did. But we walked a lot too, so it's okay.
If our listeners want to go to Thailand to practice their English, do you think it's a good place?
I think it's a great place. Thai people are very patient and kind. Even if your English isn't perfect, they will try to understand you.
I agree. My tip for travelers is learn a few Thai words. If you say sawadee, hello, or khop kun, thank you, people will smile even more.
That's true. My tip is use the tuk-tuks just for fun once, but use the Grab app for better prices when you want to go long distances.
Oh, the tuk-tuks. Riding in a three-wheeled taxi in the middle of Bangkok traffic is like a roller coaster ride.
It's a bit scary, but very exciting. Also, remember to dress politely when you go to the temples. You need to cover your shoulders and knees.
That's an important rule. It shows respect for the culture.
You know, Alex, what I remember most isn't just the places. It's the feeling of being there with a good friend.
I agree. Like that night we got lost in Bangkok looking for that secret rooftop bar.
Oh no, we walked in circles for an hour in the rain.
We were soaking wet, but we couldn't stop laughing. We ended up eating noodles at a 7-Eleven instead.
Honestly, that was just as fun as a fancy bar. Those are the moments that make a trip special.
They really do. Thailand has a way of making everything feel like an adventure.
Well, Alex, I think we have talked a lot about Thailand today. I really want to go back now.
Me too. I'm going to go check the flight prices after we finish this video.
Wait for me, I want to go too.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation today. We hope you learned some new words and enjoyed hearing about our travels.
What about you? Have you ever been to Thailand or do you want to go?
Please tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories. It helps us feel connected to you.
If you found this video helpful for your English practice, please give us a like.
And one more time, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to Ready Talk. We want to keep growing our community of English learners.
Every subscription helps us make more content for you.
Thank you for listening to us today. You are doing a great job with your English studies. Keep practicing.
We'll see you in the next video with another fun topic. Until then, goodbye.
Bye-bye.